How to upgrade to Gemini Advanced. Welcome back to a new tutorial video everyone. If you've been using Gemini on the free plan and you want to upgrade to a premium plan, in this video let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and then head over to Gemini. And as soon as you do that, on the top right of your screen, you can see the option called Upgrade to Google AI Plus. Inside of this page, you can see all of the advanced features or the plans that you can choose from. So there are three plans that you can choose from: the Google AI Plus, the Google AI Pro, and Google AI Ultra. Depending upon your needs and the features that you want, you can take a look at them in this section and choose the type of plan that you like. Once you read the description and the features that you're going to get, click on this button on the top and then click on Agree. Next, you need to add in a payment method such as your credit card or your debit card. Click on this option and add in your card details. Add in your card number, the cardholder's name, and your billing address. As soon as you do that, if it is a valid card, you will be immediately subscribed to an advanced plan inside of Gemini. So that's basically it on the way that you upgrade to Gemini Advanced. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.